Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to the same spot that we were at last time when we didn't catch anything with Zach. And we're gonna go a little old school today. We got some live bait. I know a lot of you hardcore trout fishermen out there are gonna get mad, but honestly, sometimes you just need to catch some fish, and this is how you do it. Been spending a lot of time on the screen lately for school and work, and just gotta get out in the nature and catch some fish to feel better. And so it looks like there's someone at our spot. Okay, we actually already have this little Brewster tail tied on, so we're gonna try that first, see if it gets any bites, and if not, we'll switch to the worms. Okay guys, so that guy actually just came up and he's leaving. He said he caught a few, but he stopped because he had a big brown on that broke off his fly, and he said they're biting really well, so that's encouraging. So let's get down there and see if we can't get any strikes. Fishing in the mountain streams of Utah always just is a good time if you don't catch anything. Like, look at this beauty. Also, let me know what you guys think about the angle of the GoPro, because I feel like it's not bad, but also sometimes it slouches down and I have to adjust a lot. So let me know if you guys like it. And we got a snag, first cast. Classic Ben. Dang it. We're gonna go a little about same pattern, but a little size up. This one's good, nice and medium. Let's see if that gets us any more bites. I did not bring my polarized glasses today. I forgot them at home, which is very unfortunate. Oh, one just went for it. I saw it go for it, boys. I could see him. Even without the glasses, how ironic. Come on, hit it again. Ah, he didn't go back for it. That's encouraging though. Ah. Dang, they're in there. I just can't seem to get them. Okay, we had a strike for the spinner, so we know that they're biting. We are gonna switch to the worms because I just want to catch a fish. I haven't caught a fish in a long time, and we know that that'll give them a little extra scent, some motivation to bite. Got to find some hooks now really quick. Hopefully I brought them. I really got to organize my stuff, but this one should be good. All right, let's tie that on and try that. Okay, I forgot my split shot sinkers, so hopefully this weightless worm will do the trick. Gonna try from the same spot where I had a bite from that cutthroat. Ooh, it's kind of hard to cast, but okay, we finally put some weight on there. I went all the way back to the car only to realize it was in one of my pockets. So let's see if we can do something about this now. Got about 25 minutes left before I gotta go home. So fingers crossed. Ah, I literally just had one on. I was going to set the camera turn on. It was on the line. Okay, if I don't catch a fish at this next spot, I can't catch fish. Oh, I see them. I think I see them. Unless my eyes deceive me. Let's get down a little bit, be sneaky. Please. Oh. Yes. Come here, boy. No. Oh my gosh. Why? It's all, that's so frustrating. Dang it. All right, let's try again, I guess. Horrible cast. Decent cast, not great, but go on. Please stay on. Oh my freaking heck. What is wrong with... I must have a friggin' either dull hook or I just suck. All right, I'm switching the hook really quick. We're gonna run the hook through the sharpener a few times. I only have about 5-10 minutes left and I gotta go. So I need to catch a fish and head on my way. Okay, this time I'm gonna be a little more gentle, not as rushed. And we'll see what happens. If I don't land this next one, I will be very, very confused and frustrated. Come on. Yes! Woo! Finally, holy crap. Oh, thank goodness. Oh, nice. Just a little rainbow, but oh, thank you so much, buddy. Sweet. Let's get back in there. Thank goodness. Thanks, buddy. You ready? There he goes. Chilling right there for a little bit. Oh, that's such a good feeling. After having like 4 off. Oh, thank goodness, wow. Got another tangle in my reel. It's not good. Oh no. Do I have a fish? No. Dang it. Everything is going wrong today. I guess this is a sign we gotta stop. Okay guys, thanks for watching that video. Finally we caught a fish after a long time. We're gonna have some good stuff coming out soon. Me and Chris are gonna make a video on how to match the hatch and decide which flies to use. So be on the lookout for that. And hopefully we'll get some more content rolling out more regularly now that school is winding down. And we appreciate you and have a good day.